enter the city center. And they built, you can see lots of bikes in France. So there are bikes galore in the city and in the whole country. And they immensely, really very occupy bike paths. They're usually covered with red. In World War, about secret Catholic churches. Under two conditions. So the first condition was religious symbols on the house to give the authorities a pretext to pretend they didn't go with them. And the first Saint Anthony of Padua.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. You can see numerous so-called. Ik heb een grote groep van oudere mensen. En ik moet ze vertellen waar als we ergens moeten afstaan, ergens moeten afstaan. Het kan zo, het kan zo.
What's that in a church, Daddy? Da 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 da. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Hey, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Ladies and gentlemen, they are now the parade of the beauties, the parade of the pilgrims, the parade of the pilgrims of the red carpet. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are. Oh. The parade of the beauties, the pilgrims on the red carpet. Uy, ang was. May Rosa ka. Kasama ito sa pilgrim. Oh. Oh, kayo kaya hindi kayo. Oo, dito yayamanin talaga. Oh, Christmas na dito. Pasko na. Ano pangalan ng mall na to? Mamahalin para lang ito sa mga kontraktor. Oh. Kontraktor sa Pilipinas. Mga mababait. Oh, tingnan mo. Ito. Ito ang mga mayayaman. Mayayaman din. Sige, maglakad. Mga kontraktor dito, binuhos lahat ng pera sa Europe. Ya pusing, sayaw. Call guy, ano ba? Imong kamot. Ano i-extend? Of course. Bi, ipakotsa ko, Bi. Here, come here. Come here.
Lagi siya ba?
La 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 la. La 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 la. Pandam ko kay sigla, hindi niya rin bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, glamatahan, alang at luya, sa paligid nito'y panay ang linga.
Kalapati,
Oh, kalapati, tugdunan nga po ka, galing ka. Nagbayad naman ta. Hala, kalapati. Kalapati, gidugangan ko. $2, €2. €2 ang ipangayo. Bistikil. So, how much you give me? Kung one. Yeah, no can you make it two? Hala, tsada kayo. Hala. Oh, ipabalik sa'yo. Isa lang yung tugdon, duha o nang ta. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Kana, tapukan na ka, oh. Kana. Gwapo ni. Tapukan ka.
Hi. Yes. Ato ka tibok view. Oh, narami din sa Kalapati. Oh, Kalapati.
Mamma mia. Dali hatan.
Sila dini ba?
Ha?
Sila tungga sakop ba?
Asa ta pa rin mo magnet ani oy?
Magnet?
Dito na ko ito napita.
Tanaw ta.
Dito na sa
Wala, ka-cute niya. Wag siya giyawa sa ako ba? Pictura na lang natin. On red carpet. Naka-red carpet tayo, ha? Walking everywhere.
ganito lang sa ganito.
Walang sasakyan. Go out and walk for the whole day. Looking for something that you don't need.
Hanap ko ng mga chocolates.
And who you revered behind the closed doors. Yeah, freedom of not religion, because people weren't allowed to. Except the Catholic Calvinists, no one was allowed to go to the church or to their temple in the open. But if there was a temple, something like the freedom of conscience. So,
The museum, we will have a 1 hour time. I will give you in a moment the tickets and special audio guide in English.
Okay.
Because the rooms are tiny, small, few people in a time. Not everybody. We go inside, enter. There's a
video.
Ano ba? Yung kamot. Ano na i-extend? Ano